Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm so glad to have you here. Today we're discussing putting together a shelter in place kit. And this is kind of a little different. It's going to have some of the same items as you would have in traditional bug out bags, bug in bags, all of those things. But it will also have some things that you might not have thought about and is a pretty cool concept. It's a shelter in place idea. So let's find out what's in this bag. Let's get started. Creating a comprehensive shelter-in-place kit to be prepared for any situation. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you. In times of emergency, having a well-prepared shelter-in-place kit can make all the difference. Whether facing a natural disaster or a prolonged crisis, being self-reliant is key to ensuring the safety and well-being of your family. We will look at the components and considerations for a shelter-in-place kit, helping you prepare for the unexpected. A shelter-in-place kit isn't a bug-in or bug-out bag with just a few of each item. It is specifically designed and meant for scenarios when leaving isn't possible or advisable, and you need to hunker down as securely and comfortably as possible. Water and food supplies. You will need 1 gallon of drinking water per person. The importance of water in an emergency cannot be overstated. You will need additional water for other uses like washing. Plan for 1 gallon of drinking water per person per day for at least 14 days. And don't forget to account for your pets and their water needs as well. Ready-to-eat or canned foods include non-perishable, high-energy foods that won't spoil quickly. Items like canned fruit, vegetables, and proteins are excellent choices. A manual can opener is essential for accessing canned foods. Choose a reliable hand-cranked opener and buy more than one. Eating utensils and plates. Be sure to include forks, spoons, knives, plates, and cups for each family member. Consider using lightweight, durable, and reusable camping utensils. Let's talk about emergency essentials. Your first aid kit should be well stocked with bandages, antiseptics, medications, and supplies for treating injuries and illnesses. A flashlight and extra batteries. A reliable flashlight is crucial for illumination in the dark. You will definitely want more than one. Be sure you also have extra batteries to keep your flashlights functional. Stay informed with a battery-operated or hand-crank radio to receive updates and important information. We have the one in the picture. It works wonderfully, and it was about $25. Backup batteries or power banks. Keep your cell phones charged and connected with fully charged backup batteries or power banks. In case of an emergency, a whistle can be heard from a distance, and it can be used to signal for help. Water disinfection supplies. Iodine tablets or unscented bleach can be used to disinfect water when necessary, but only if instructed by health officials. Personal hygiene items. Maintain personal hygiene with supplies such as hand sanitizer, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, feminine hygiene products, toilet paper, and wipes. If you have any infants or family members with special needs, ensure you have necessary childcare supplies or specific care items on hand. Plastic sheeting and duct tape. These can be invaluable for sealing off areas, covering broken windows, and protecting against the elements. Basic tools like a multi-tool, pliers, a wrench, and a screwdriver can help with repairs and emergency tasks. Keep a copy of your family emergency plan in your kit so everyone is on the same page in times of crisis. Include items to make the waiting period more bearable, like blankets, books, games, cards, and any personal necessities. A 5-gallon bucket with a toilet seat can serve as an emergency toilet. Also, remember to stock up on N95 masks to protect against airborne contaminants. With a well-rounded shelter-in-place kit, you can face emergency situations with confidence and self-sufficiency. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know your thoughts and anything you would add or subtract from this bag. I always love to hear from you, as you know. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.